Hello people, welcome to the Vortex. Now I'm just gonna check if I'm online because sometimes I'm not online, and last time it was a fuckery of that we weren't online when I thought we were online, so I'm just gonna double check. Yeah, we are online. So today is game design day 13, the lucky 13. Just gonna change the name and give me one second. As you can see, I've already had the thing open, and so we're just gonna work on level 2, trying to finish level 2, maybe add a pickup mechanic of a key. But what I'm trying to do is I do have an idea of, well, first of all let's change the name, then I'll explain the idea. Alright, yes, I'm online and I have one viewer. Hello, whoever it is. Nice to meet you. Yay. Alright. So what I'm gonna do today is focus on level 2 phase 1 and trying to do, I don't know, I'm trying to complete the level of this. Obviously first let's finish the level, and what I'm trying to do is, see, this is gonna be pickup, right? So it becomes, and so she goes to here, and the next thing and then she goes to the next fantasy, and then she finds the keys there which she has to access. But what I'm going to do for her to get through here, I'll probably create a maze for her to navigate the area, trying to see for her to see where to go, because it's obvious she needs to go here, right? But she'll need to figure out a way to get to there. Enemies there, which is gonna change obviously. But yeah, I'm trying to gonna try to create a maze. So let's get on with it. Different houses as well. This is just color for now because obviously we're gonna change it in a bit. But currently, that's our idea for today. Hope you guys enjoy, and let's get to it. So basic, we're just gonna focus on the basic building blocks of the game first to figure them out, and I'm thinking I might as well add for her to do something here. Why is this? These are too high. So currently she's starting from here. That's fine. Yeah, that works. That looks great, to be honest. She starts from here, and probably might add a crouch, make a crouch here. So let me add a fence of sorts. I do have a fence, so. And I've got pre-workout because I forgot to buy Monster. I went to Tesco to buy Monster, but I bought everything else and I forgot about Monster. Imagine. Right. I can do this. I have this, right? This is, and make it smaller, and like this. you say, oh, you can't go there, fuck off, something like that, and maybe go like that, maybe, or I can, it's an open area, right? So if I have a dock here, where is the, I should have a dock, right? Not that one. So make it smaller, obviously change the color of what is called. Yeah, that works. Kind of, I'll make it black and white, black and red to be honest, since the theme is black and red. Perfect. Now, to get on with this, we get the reverser in the pipeline, you change it to red, so it becomes black and red, black and white. Same with this, there. Then you go in reverser in the pipeline, change the color. We can actually make a pretty good time. Like, mechanics wise, we are pretty much done, obviously. And now, with this wise, what I'm trying to do, I'm still gonna make the level so she sees this, but what can I give her there? Like, I need, if I want to give her something there, maybe I can like, what can she have here? That's what I'm trying to think. What is she's a little girl, so what would she require? Maybe I can give her a teddy bear, be like as a trophy, or should I give her a trophy? That's the question. The keys will be picked up in the next thing, so that's something else to worry about. I think it's just gonna be a random do nothing kind of thing. Yeah. Should I have this? The question becomes. Make it 90, make it minus 90. Yeah, why can I have this for now? I'm trying to think what can I do with it. Let's focus on the maze for now. So she sees this, she can't go there. Easy peasy. Then I'm trying, she needs to go here, right? So she needs to figure out a way to get there. What can you do? Like, right, that's the map for now, right? So if I had a way here, going through there, there's going to be some houses here, some houses there. She can try to jump over the houses. That's the enemy, but the enemy's going to be roaming around anyway, so it doesn't really matter. That's the case. I don't need to have this level this big, but I want to have this level this big. And I'm also thinking, I'm trying to think how many levels should we have. Currently it stands as 6 with 6 to 10, but that's not include. If we include both of the things, then it's gonna stand at 12. But this is level 2 for now. Level 1 is done. So level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5, and each level will have a different sync. So that's also something there. Currently, we are developing level 2 phase 1. And currently thinking what kind of a way can I have here? If I have one here, then let me, oh wait, I also have the houses, give me 1 second. Because last time it crashed, so we weren't able to add the houses, and I'm just gonna houses are not really a big thing to press. There's a background, so that's why they're so low poly. The one house we actually have to go to is the one that's high poly, which is that one. I'll change that to -90. Yeah, so actual house we have to go to is this one, right? But again, trying to figure out our way through here. She'll have to go through here. She is faster than the enemies because she is basically running on adrenaline. Yeah, I don't think I will need it, to be honest. And then comes on this black and white thing. Bring on. I don't think I will need this level to be that big, to be honest. But obviously, enemies gonna be chasing her. And I'm probably gonna add a warning system when enemies chasing, so it's gonna show up on the UI. Or enemy chasing you, you're faster than the enemy, so run, something like that. And it's not gonna be that hard to fill out, to be honest. That looks pretty okay, to be honest. Like if I just get through there, duplicate this, get the enemies in here, which is enemies, so that's gonna be red. 1, 2. Again, these houses are backgroundish, so they don't really matter. Yeah. Platform will need to be a bit smaller. But she needs to get there, right? So that's pretty good. I'm happy with it. She needs to figure out a way around. So, but if you look at the map, then it's pretty easy. Go there, right? But she'll be confused if you want to go there or there. Player needs to be confused as well with the enemy chasing you. So yeah, what I can do is also add an easy way around. I mean, nah, player needs to suffer. Player needs to suffer. Alright. Yes, I'm just gonna check if that's working, and plus also the lighting which I need, which is gonna be that one. Dark as fuck. She's obviously she has the flashlights out, so that's something that's fine. Oh, what the hell? Oh shit, I kept her in the wrong. Oh, and she doesn't have the flashlight here. Let me just open the flashlight. She has the flashlight now, so I'm just gonna name. Not that one. That's one gone now, we don't need that anymore. But that one is gonna be checked. So, yeah. And she needs to start here. Nope, not that. There. Alright, let's try again. Oh, where am I? What the fuck's happening? Alright, that's the enemy, so I don't need to go there. Oh, I like it. I really like it. Damn. This looks very good. I actually really like it. And obviously trigger's gonna be there. Where's the enemy? There's the enemy. Alright, doing that. Where's my nav mesh? I really like it. Damn. Damn. Like, damn like it. There's the enemy's base offset should be 0. Or should be 1, but it's gonna be based on the nav mesh. Where is the nav mesh? Take. Where can I can't see the nav pick. Show nav mesh. Nav mesh, where it is showing me where. Pick. I can't see the nav mesh, which is weird. Where are you, nav mesh? You exist. I know you exist, but I just can't see you. And you're based on nav mesh surface, so big. But I just can't see you. Where is? Let's try again. The enemy's not moving, so something's he's gonna chase me. Okay, that's weird. Follow me. Okay, it's making the nav mesh. Oh, the plants are messing up with the nav mesh. So what I need to do is, so actually it happens, but there's a very simple solution for it. So you see the plants, right? Plants from here to how many plants do I fucking have? To there. See, they are part of the nav mesh right now. So what I need to do is carry them off, build the nav mesh again. I can't see the nav mesh. Wait, let me just search if I can make the nav mesh visible. It's supposed to look like, it's supposed to be blue. Can't see nav mesh. No, I know, I just can't see it. Clear, big, can't see. Why can't I see the nav mesh? That's just weird, because the nav mesh is meant to show. See? Clear it, bake it again. Bake. Alright, but yeah, the solution is pretty easy. It is based on nav mesh. Humanoid walking base offset is 1. And now I get back to get the plants back in. This also doesn't. Take it out. I'll have to pay it back. Not bake it again. Bake. Bake. Now we get back to the plants. There. Which is empty. Wait. You know what I can do? I go down, get all of this into plants. Done. What the fuck just happened? Did you just crash? No, you didn't. Don't fucking crash. I swear to God, if you crash. Yep, no. Didn't crash. All I need to do is... Where did the plant go? What? Oh, fuck you. Did I... I didn't plan it properly. Fuck's sake. Yeah, I didn't. I pressed... I knew I did that. I pressed Control plus Z instead of Control plus S. So none of them went in the plant save. Now it's safe. Right, plants are here. Now just what I need to do. So go back. And call them. Hey, fuck you. Did it go back again? Alright, nav mesh is done. Now let's get to building it. Tab, enemy should be moving around properly now. Yeah, no problem. Yeah, it sees us, 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 it sees us. Don't come near, don't come. Hey, I'm just a little girl. I'm just a little girl. Don't come near me. I'll punch you. Hey. It is very slow, but that's fine. So, level 2, phase 1, done. Don't crash. Good boy. Level 2, phase 1 is officially done. Hey guys, well done. Yeah, we'll have to bake the nav mesh again, maybe, because it needs to be around just about as big as this, so and close that, delete that, that's fine, because they don't matter, it's just the houses, so they're background houses, so they don't really matter, but yeah. Now we need to delete the plants, get the plants back in again. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bake the nav mesh again. Yeah, and get the plants in again after, so plants don't get affected by it. That's fine. Sorry. Now we are gonna work on the warning system. So when the enemy chases you, you see a warning system. But for that we'll go to level 1 where it all started. I'm going to start adding some text now because we're going to keep working on that now, so might as well make it now. Save rather than wait for it to get messed up later, right? So currently that's the thing, right? And we don't have a UI or text match on it. So what we'll need to do is, once we're I do want to check something. Yeah, no, nothing. Okay, that's fine. That's perfect. I was confused with one thing, but that's fine. So we catch the flashlight from there, right? So now we're gonna start adding the simple bits. So I have to pick up the flashlight, so when we go near the trigger, which is gonna be there, I'll need to add a UI, text mesh pro, done. Game, new text, but that's not gonna happen here. It's gonna happen near the flashlight. So the flash, whatever trigger box the flashlight has, which it does have a trigger box. Well, I'll need to get the platform off for a second. Yeah, that's fine. Now what a flashlight, where's the flashlight? There you go. So whatever trigger this has, it does have a trigger, right? 100% sure we have a trigger here. Yeah, so you pick up the thing, right? Where's the trigger? Box collider, where's the box collider? I can't see the box collider. Ah, there you go. Yeah, so that's the box collider, right? So it should have a code on the scripts. It should have a code on my FPS, which is here. So first things first, we add a warning system going like, first things first, we add a pickup system. We have a pickup system going like F to pick up this, right? So when it's near the thing, the text should appear F to pick up the flashlight. So there's the light code F. Yeah. Now what I need to do is create a text mesh group. So public text mesh. Public text. Let's just make it text mesh rather. Flashlight pickup. I'm just gonna call it pickup because I can use it for later as well. It just needs to depend on the pickup. So what it's gonna say is then it's gonna say text mesh pickup dot text is equal to press F to pick flashlight. No issues found. Done. Press F to pick up flashlight. So now that's done, we add it to the there. So text mesh becomes this. Oh wait. Oh wait, it doesn't. It needs to be a text mesh for. That's my bad. Here, done. Works. So that's a new text, so it's not gonna show current, it's not gonna whatever text is, it's not gonna be active when it's gonna be there. Wait, let me just, I do want to check something if it's showing up first. So let's go to the box collider. Oh wait, I didn't set it up yet. First person. Yeah, oh wait, that's my bad. First person. What? What? That's text message pro. That is text message pro. TMP. Okay. Why is never anything easy than it's supposed to be? Okay. I should change all the thing. It is text message. What I can do. That's fine. Go back there. Comes TMP. Nothing. Let's remove it from the canvas and put it on the first person. Now you go back to there. Still nothing. Pick up with a text message pro, but it's not a text message pro. That's the weirdest fucking thing. What I'll do is to make it do not fuck it up. What I'll just do is simple as fuck. I'll just activate it saying, so once it's near the thing, it's just, so currently it's just gonna say press F to pick flashlight, right, and position it like there, there, kinda, and make it a bit big. Yeah, that works. There, so it's based on 16.9, so there. Change this to whatever I want it to change. Okay, font assets. I do have a good font asset. I should have more. That works. And I'll make it, right, obviously. Does it clash with the theme? No. Yeah, good. And I'll activate it once you're near here, so I'll just put it, I'll just be like, oh wait, I'll probably add a system, probably add a, so it is the first level, right? So I will add saying WSD to move, tab to use the paravision. So it's just gonna show up for like a bit in the start, so it's probably gonna be based on a coroutine. Alright, let's make this happen. Okay, so rather than this, make it pick up, set active, Oh wait, that needs to be a game object rather than text mesh pro now. So game object done. Then go back here. Pick up dot set active true. Then also once I'm out of there, so on triggers. Oh wait, that's fine. If it's on straight, then it's gonna only show when I'm there. So pick up, then goes this bit. Done. So once I go near there, it should show. So there, yeah. See, press F to pick a flashlight. Done. But it should remove itself once I'm there. So for it to remove itself once I'm there, it will need to be on trigger. So it says private on trigger stay, right? So I'll make another one going like on trigger exit. So it will not need to be on trigger exit. It's gonna be on trigger exit. And get that in. On trigger exit collision game object light. Yeah. Becomes false. That's fine. What's going on with this? Oh yeah, I got it. It's not really anything to worry about. So sometimes it just creates a thing on itself, so you just need to add a bracket or something. So pick up dot z set active false goes false, right? Simple as that. Done. Point point. Let's play it on maximized. Oh, what to do? What to do? Just the thing. Oh wait, I can see flashlight. Oh, press F to pick a flashlight. Done. See? So when I exit, it doesn't go. Press F to pick a flashlight. You pick up the flashlight. You have a thing working for you. Obviously, that motherfucker chasing you, which is in the air, which it shouldn't be. We'll change that. So then you go there, then you see this, then you're welcome in your own fantasy world. So where it goes, la 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 la. Crouching makes a great exercise. La 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 la. It's pretty easy. Crouch, control, you crouch, come back, then you go there, and it's gonna change the level to level 2 phase 1. So that's what a level looks like. We have 2.5 levels, 1.5 level done. To be fair, that's the exact time. Yeah. Now we are gonna add a warning system, going like, oh, when the enemy is chasing you, first of all, we need to make the base offset 1. That's fine. Then nav mesh. It's again because of the fucking plants, but plants make it look good, so we're gonna have plants. Get it, guys? So plants tag with the nav mesh, which is here. You bake it like there. You bake it again. Now you have a plant. Now you bring the plants in again. So the nav mesh. All right. Now what you're doing is adding a warning system. So whenever enemy is chasing, which is on the enemy script right there. So whenever enemy is chasing, we need to create a UI. So whenever enemy is chasing, what I can do is I should also have a again, public game object pickup. Wait, warning. So, in order if an enemy is chasing you, warning dot set active true. So, also the thing is, when once enemy starts chasing you, it won't ever stop chasing you. So you need to find a way to get out. So, again, same text marks, duplicate it. There you go. Then I'm gonna see where to add it though. What can be the catchphrase though? Kidnapper spotted you. Run for your life. Kidnapper spotted you. Run for your life. Comes in there. Position. Then fade duration 2. Not interactable. 3. Yeah, sounds pretty good. Kidnapper spotted you. Run for your life. Let's make it 50. Yeah, looks good. Turn this off. Now whenever enemy is actually chasing you, you see, wait, I'm done. Enemy and warning. It's been going pretty smooth today because we haven't had a glitch, we haven't had any problems, the game hasn't crashed once. Obviously I might be jinxing myself, but right, press F to pick a flashlight then. So, and let's never spotted you. Run for your life. And you shouldn't hey, fuck. That shouldn't stay on there, so wait, that's just not the code. So FPS, I think it probably was a glitch, but I'm just gonna check. So on trigger exit done. Collision dot flashlight light. Yeah, done. Oh, it might be because once I pick it up, the collider comes with it. So what I can do is, the box collider. So flashlight has the box collider, right? Go back. Flashlight has the box collider, but I don't need flashlight to have the box collider. So tag is gonna be based on this one. I will remove box collider from this one. New component, and I'm gonna add the box collider to the desk. So this tag light. Trigger done. flashlight. There we are. And I'm also going to change the color of the flashlight because illumination to be white. Yeah, that works. That's better. Tab. See the flashlight. See. Just have to pick a flashlight. Done. They're out. That's fine. There's the enemy. Spot. Get down the spot here. Run for your life. See? Looks pretty good. Fuck. Yeah, it works. Right. Now that is done. We added the warning system. We added that. Now we're gonna get on to level 2, phase 2. Yay! No wait. First things we need to do. Once you go on that level, right, level world 2, it needs to bring you to world 3. So world 2. So the trigger on there needs to be. Can't see anything. So the trigger that's on this one, that one. So it needs to be named trigger 3. And whatever console, wait. Yes. Yeah, duplicate that and you name it trigger 3 and load scene. What's the name of the scene? Level phase 1. Yeah, it's named level phase 1. Rename level 2. I'm gonna name it level 2 phase 1. Alright, and I'm also gonna copy that. Now I go back to the code, which is here. I'm gonna just do that and it should load my level 2 phase 1. It should be level 2 phase 1. Then it takes me to level 2 phase 1, which I'm gonna make it do right now. Oh wait, I haven't added level 2 yet on the system. It happens. People forget to add the level on the build and then they go like, oh, it's not working, but that's not the case. It's just build settings. There you are. Yeah, see, that level's not added yet. So add open scene, not this one. We go to scenes, save, then we add open scene. So level 2 phase 1 is added. So it's done. Now we're gonna go through all the thing. We're gonna give a summary of whatever's happening, right? If anything goes bad, then we can see. Where is platform 1? Done. Tab. Oh, you can see that's the enemy, that's the thing. We pick up this, I have to pick a flashlight. Now we can see whatever's going on. We go there. Enemy kidnapper spotted. Run for your life. And we come here. Done. Load scenes. La 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 la. It gives you a hint going crouching makes a great exercise. What does that mean? What does you mean by crouching makes a great exercise? Oh wait, I can't go there. What I need to do? Crouch. There. Crouch makes a great exercise. You come here. Then you start here. Oh, you're in a different level. You use thing again. You see, oh wait, that's the house. What am I gonna do in that house? It's not moving. Fuck. We can fix that, that's fine. Close. What is going on with this? Is the fucking nav mesh again, isn't it? Wait, I'm back on this. So level 1 done, level 1 phase 2 done, level 2 phase 1 almost done. Right. Only problem is not moving around the thing. So that also comes down to plants, which I have on one specific thing. Or it can be, why do I have that? I don't need these things now. Again, we'll add the warning system here as well, which is gonna be a text mesh, but it's already based on the code, so all we need to do is canvas, go back to world 1, get, you know what, that's not gonna be need to do, you don't even need to do that, you just go UI, text mesh pro, done, that's done, canvas, just disable it, and just say kidnappers particles. Kidnappers spotted you. Run. Change the font to bangers, not that one. Bring the width up a bit. Yeah, that position goes there, a bit up, exactly there. Center top, that's done. And change it to red, obviously, and this should be a fade. Oh wait. Text mesh pro input field, fade duration 2. Done. Interactive, no. So that's what it's gonna look like. Kidnap was spotted you, run for your life. Done. FPS starts a bit low, so that's just gonna start here. Start here. Because I can't the camera. But yeah, that's done. And go to enemy. This becomes warning, goes that. And text mesh goes down. Obviously it needs to be plants, I need to take them out. Build the nav mesh again. Bake. That's weird, I can't just see the nav mesh, which is I'm meant to see it. So yeah, nav mesh, bake again. I'm gonna break on the platform as well, just in case. Bake and nav mesh, bake. Now back to plants, done. Try again. Wait, you can see it is moving though, so which is good. Oh wait, what's that? I can see, I can go through. And can it chase me now? Okay, now spotted you, run for your life. And then go here, done. See, looks good. Looks very good. I'm very proud of it. And now this trigger takes you to, where is it? This one takes you, so level 2 phase 1 is officially done, nothing to do anymore. So this trigger takes you to level 2 phase 2, which is gonna be this is gonna be a copy of world 2, but we're just gonna duplicate that and gonna rename it level 2 phase 2. Right, done. And I'm trigger here, which I already have, which is there for some reason. There's so many fucking cards. So trigger is there. I can't see it though. There we go. So it goes exactly here. And where's the flame? Flame is here, so there. So trigger is there. It's gonna be named trigger 4. Now we go back to the first PS, first level. Let's rename and copy the name. Right. Now we go back to save this. Oh wait, and I also need to add that thing, but I'm just gonna first go back to the code. And on trigger trigger 2, trigger 1, trigger 3, so that's gonna be named. I'm gonna duplicate that. It's gonna be named trigger 4. It's gonna load level 2 phase 2. And fuckery thing is happening is this one. Fuck's sake. Just need to duplicate this. Just that. Was that too hard? No, right? So why did you make it too hard? Trigger 4, then scene manager load level 2 phase 2. Done. And now she finds keys. Now she has the keys in there, which is just another. No, I don't need to have keys in there, to be honest. She's just gonna enter the house. So when she goes in there, she enters the house, which is. You know what I can do? Right now, let's not focus on this. I'll add a fade mechanic. So when you load the scene, it fades. It first fades, then it creates another going before that, and I actually already have the code for it in my old game. So I'll just do that, to be honest. Yeah, well, we are making pretty good time. Damn. Wait, does anybody have questions? I just want to double check. Wait, I'm not in touch. Check my chat. क्या बज रहा है भाई? Wait, who's this? What's up? Hello. I don't know who you are. Who is this? क्या बज रहा है? Fan है क्या? Yes, it is the fan actually. It's not a fan technically. It's my laptop. It just creates some noise when it's working. Hey, how are you? क्या बज रहा है भाई? Fan है क्या? It's obviously Indian. Nice to meet some friends. Okay, what the fuck was I doing? Fade system, yes. Give me 1 second. I'm just gonna open the fade system, and she should be ready to go. I also have a menu bar. I also have a menu also, so which I'm just gonna. So once it starts, it should be like. Yeah, that's fine. Where are you? Scenes? Not scenes. I need the scripts. Scripts. Scripts and game manager script. Yeah, it should be in the game manager script, but I'm gonna add it obviously on the first person script. So whenever scene gets load, it needs to play a fade before it gets load, right? Alright, world change script, world 1 GM free. That's not a reference. Oh, I remember this fucker. Ages, took me fucking ages to design this code. So it's in my old game code, and it took me so much time to make this. And if you ask me now to make it, I can probably make it within 3 days or 2 days. But at that time it was really hard to make it. It took me like a month to design this. Currently what I'm using, what code I'm using, the first person controller, took me a month and a half to design. And it's probably the best first person code I've ever first person controller code I could design. But that took me ages as well. Or if I could just use the already packaged first person code, which would have been easier, it wouldn't be as good as my one. Yeah, I have that ego. Fuck off. So transition start fade. Well, I was thinking, why do I need to add it? I mean, I'll just add it. It's not that hard. Transition, what's the transition called? Transition is called literally called transition. So I'm just gonna move this here, open it here. So it goes on the first person controller. Yeah, so that's the code I work with now. If I want to make a design first person controller, which is also made by your own with Jahan, and with some help with one of my tutors. His name was Herman. His name is Herman. He's alive, but he's just not my tutor anymore. But yeah, he helped me a lot to design this. So currently what I'm working with is public transition will be named transition, right? And then you go, what was it? Oh wait, this transition one. What? Why is it an error? It's because it's based on the old code. Transition we name and I will name it transition fade. Where is transition? It's literally the same. You already have it here. No, I don't. Do I need to add a TNP Pro? I do already have TNP Pro. Scene manager is there, transition is there, random is there, so what's the problem? Transition of descripted transition. Okay, it was created on the old system. Let me. Yeah, I knew it's gonna be that easy. Transition dot start fade is equal to true. So this needs to be. Oh, okay. There's another code of transition which I didn't know was there. Right. I need to make a script transition. Obviously, script create C# learning transition. Then I'm gonna name public transition. Reference done. No, that's the reference done. Now when I go to the that script transition, I go first. I create a public canvas group. I'm just gonna name it CG. Let's make it capital. Then I'm gonna public. I should be able to make a public float. Wait, fuck. Public float fading. Then also needs to be create a public pool. Not yet. Public pool. It's gonna be named fading. It's just gonna be named start fade. Fuck off. Because I want to make it obvious as well. And then also gonna create. I don't need to reference to a game manager yet. Public string. Don't need that. So first comes with CG alpha. Dot alpha is equal to 0. Start with that. Then when I create start if start fade start fade is equal to true, then I will fading plus is equal to time plus time dot delta time. Fuck off. Then CG alpha is equal to fading. CG dot alpha is equal to fading. Then if CJ dot alpha goes above is equal to 1, which is start fade should go false. Then wait, I want to check something. I'm missing something. Something needs to get activated. Okay. What gets activated, man? What gets activated? Nothing's getting activated. What? Something's getting activated, but nothing's getting activated. Reality fantasy art. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, that's fine. I'm confused. I feel like this is kind of an old way to do this, and I don't think it should be this way, but I've done it before in an old game, but again based on an old software. Let me just see if I can do it another way. Transition, okay, during levels, Unity. I'm using 2018 Decibel folder. I use something. Yeah, 2023 tutorial sounds better. Yeah, something like that. So what I'm seeing is a video from GAW. It says Unity how to fade in and out while changing, and it's what my original code is based on an older version of Unity, so it's a bit different. So what I'll do is so whenever trigger happens, yeah. Yeah, that's already been done. That's already been done. So I'm going on the fade in script. So I'm on the fade in script. Yeah, I did that. Made a canvas script. We already named it CJ. Public bool fade in is equal to false. Right. So yeah, that's public bool fade in limit false. Then public bool fade out should limit. Yeah, done. Up. Yeah. Take out that for now. So what I like to do is, if I use the code right and I don't like it, I'll copy it. I'll make another separate thing, name it code not in use, and I will paste every code in there. Because it just helps with the, it helps with the cluster, and plus it also saves that, oh, I've used, you have to learn from your mistakes, right? So it's also kind of a reminder to not use this code again. Basically that's what time to fade. Right, then we start. So I update if is equal to true. He's kind of using the same code as me, but not really. If you get what I mean. Let me just put it in. Okay. Alright. And once this is done, we'll probably end the video. Then my CJ becomes dot alpha equals to 1 above less 1. Then C dot alpha plus equal to time dot delta time, probably the same, yeah, pretty much the same thing I've done. Then you create it. I am gonna say one thing though, and it's no hate against the guy, his coding is pretty slow, but I think he's doing it because he's explaining everything as we go through, and I'm doing that slow. I'm doing that as well, but faster. Serial alpha, point, and it's probably gonna over. Then fade in becomes false. Alright. Okay. We just need to duplicate that and make this fade out, which we already have. Fade and then alpha goes time dot times. time to fade times. Yeah, that should be the code, not this one. That's my bad. But yeah, and fading goes false again. And pretty much the same code. And this one goes above 0. Yeah. And this one goes minus. And this one should go equal to 0. That's a long ass time. Fade out goes false, yeah. Alright, let's try again. Then we create a public void, and I'm gonna name it public void fade in, where fading goes true. Not this faded fucker. Fading goes true, done. Then another public void with fade, we're gonna name fade out. Where fade out becomes true. Done. Then what? So add it to the trigger. Okay, great. Alright, script wise we are done. Let's go back. Right. Now we change the scene. Let's go back to original one. World 1, done. Change. We got the change scene script, but we don't need a change scene script. We already have a change scene script. But it's not gonna be on the same one. Okay, I've kind of figured it out, but not really. We add it to the trigger. Trying to see where to add the script fade. transition. I don't even know what I call the script. Transition. CJ canvas group, that's fine. Then I add a canvas. I'm gonna create a 2D object. Not a 3D object, yeah, 2D object. Wait, I can't create a 2D object because I'm not in 2D, I'm in 3D. So what I will do is instead of that I will create a cube that don't know where it's gonna go. Yeah, no. So if you go on the canvas, it needs to be, it can be a raw image to be honest. UI raw image, which is gonna be big as fuck. 1000 done. And go there. Trigger gets the script. The CJ is the raw image. CJ is the canvas. So there. Do I need to create a canvas script? Got that done. Yeah, I need to create a canvas script. Yeah, what? You add the raw image. Canvas group. Done. Alpha is 1, docs readers 1.0, and I'll have it logs, not logs recast, and 1 goes, okay, kind of understanding what's going on. Alright, and then we go back to the trigger, fade in, time to fade is 1. But go back to the screen. You know, I'm gonna turn on the light because I'm pretty sure you guys can't see me. Hey. Hey, I'm back. Right. Now I go back to my first person controller script. And this is where my original scene changes, so go all the way down. First create a reference to the transition script, which I already have. Then you go to start, transition, is equal to find any object of type. It's going to be named transition. Done. Very close actually. Then I also need to create public illuminator, not illuminator, I need to create a tar. I'm gonna name it change scene. Wait. What? Do I already have it made? Yield, return, wait for seconds. One. Okay, so I get what it's saying, but wait. So I already have the trigger. Once you go near the trigger, it should do that. So, but before that happens, it can be here. I'm very wrong. I know that. I know 100% I'm very wrong, but I just want to see. Yeah. Yield return. What I'll do is yield return wait for seconds. Now it shouldn't cause me. Yeah, this whole thing goes invalid if that happens. You go near the trigger happens. But on trigger state. How does it do the rest of it? Might not need to have. I just need to carry a fade in. Transition. Fade in. Goes valid. And the wrong one was that kept them on. And I want it to wait for a second, so yield return wait for seconds. If I do that, then everything goes invalid. I do want it to change skip down for a bit, but not that much. Because every chain scene is based on this, right? Otherwise what I'll need to do is First, let's. What has he done here? So if it's based on a trigger, it doesn't need to. Changing a start creating. That's fine. That's perfect. But okay. Let's go back there. I'm trying to confuse myself a bit, but I'm gonna try a new. Yield. Return. Wait for seconds. One. New. It's not. Yeah. Wait for seconds. One. Then transition dot fade in. Done. Right. Now I go back to here. This kind might not work, but let me just then start creating chains. Right, so that should technically kind of work. I'm not too sure, but it should start creating first, then. So trigger is there. It's the trigger. It has the code. Canvas group is this one. Damn, canvas group, right? I added a canvas group. Oh wait, it's on the raw image, so this goes to trigger. Canvas group is this one. Right, let's see. I'm like 90% sure it's not gonna work. But it can. I'm kind of confused about the code, but should be able to do pretty good. Have to pick a flashlight. Done, 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 done. Yeah, it did work. I knew it would. Yeah, did I miss something? Trigger. There's the trigger. Fade in. Time to fade out. Miss. If I'm on fade, it should show up. Yeah. So that's working. Just plus it needs to stay focused on that. So fade in. Then fade out. Fade in. How can I fade out? Alright, that's just fine. So it's definitely something on the code. Changing transition fade in starts, which is, where is my transition? Fade in starts, fade in is true. It's the fade in and fade out is working. It's just the change scene I eliminated. You can wait for seconds, then you start a new scene. The problem is, if I create it here, then the trigger won't work. It's not based on it won't be able to work on the multiple levels point of view. It can work for one scene, but if I just paste on trigger, it will depend on the trigger. I want to see something first. If that works, then I can do something. Fuck off. Why are you starting fade in without even starting a fade in? Wait, that's not it actually. Right, it should technically take me to... I have to fill out the flashlight, pick up the flashlight, move. Boom. Right, done. Now, the only problem is, so we got a fade in working, right? The only problem is, it needs to be based on a scene. So, I think I might be dumb. If I just duplicate that, get that, fuck off. And wait for seconds one, then I go scene manager and get that scene in. Technically might be able to take something. Go to phase 1, but start curtain. And start changing. But it needs to be on trigger 1. scene again, but it's on trigger 2, so start routine. 2 should start. We can actually figure it out later. Done, right? Transition is working. Now I go there, crouching is the great exercise. I know. I go there, and yeah, that's it. Triggers not gonna work. Alright. I'm probably gonna end the stream here, guys, but we do have a transition working. We just need to figure out how to get the bit of it in. Like, just needs to figure out how to do it probably, and I'm moving tomorrow, so that's something to also to think about. But yeah, and so probably next stream is gonna be Tuesday or Wednesday. I don't know yet, but I'll let you guys know. And thank you for joining. I am Vedam Chauhan, and this is the Vortex. Damn. Right, see you guys. Oh wait, today we worked on, let me just double check what we worked on. We worked on level 2 phase 1, which is done. Level 1 phase, and we worked on a warning system for the enemies, and we worked on a pickup text for the flashlight, and we got the transition work. So we did pretty good today. Well, thank you guys for joining, and I'll see you soon.